We'll guide you through how to save documents in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. You'll need to be signed into your Google account, so if you're not, go ahead and log in. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll see the main dashboard with your files and folders. To save a document, you need to either upload it from your computer or create a new one directly in Google Drive. Let's start by uploading an existing document. Click on the big NEW button on the top left. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. A File Explorer window will pop up, letting you navigate to the document you want to save. Select your document and click Open. Your file will start uploading, and you can see the progress at the bottom right of the screen. Once it's done, the document will appear in your drive. For creating a new document, click on NEW again, but this time choose Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides, depending on what you need. A new tab will open with a blank document. You can start typing right away. Google Drive automatically saves your work, so you don't have to worry about losing your changes. You can rename the document by clicking on the title at the top of the page and typing in a new name. When you're finished, just close the tab. Your document is now safely stored in Google Drive. If you want to organize your documents, you can create folders by clicking on NEW and selecting Folder. Name your folder and hit Create. Then, drag and drop your documents into the folder for easy access. This helps keep your drive tidy and makes it easier to find what you need later. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.